Hello guys, it's Bongi here. Anyway, before we go further, don't forget to press and like my videos. Let's go ahead, let's see what we have today. Anyway, I decided to do a video regarding how you can solder and manage to remove and replace a startup chip easily. I know a lot of people are struggling to align it proper. Anyway, the best solution and easy way, you have to use a soldering paste. I was shocked as well. It's very easy and effective whenever you are trying to align or to put a startup chip back into place. You have to use a soldering paste, and on the other hand, on the left hand side, you can use a tweezers to press the chip in place, but don't apply too much force. Just hold it so that it won't move, and then you start to apply paste. And there we go. You can now watch for yourself and see how I was able to solder a startup chip in place. So easy, guys, I won't lie, it was so easy without a lot of bridges. No, it was just easy and smooth. I was surprised and shocked. Anyway, just watch the whole video, you'll be shocked. And one more thing, don't apply too much paste, just a little bit, so that it will touch where exactly it needs to touch. The moment you start using too much solder, it end up making some breaches. It's easy and it's simple, guys. It's just easy. And again, you have to apply too much flux. Just use flux, then you won't have any issues. It's gonna be smooth, sweet, easy. I'm telling you. And again, more often you have to clean your tip now and then. You have to prepare to clean your tip more often.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still
Okay guys, anyway, here what you do is, when you are done, you go to each and every pin, you push them with your tweezers to feel and see which one is loose. So you touch each and every pin on the startup chip to see whether you find any loose pin, and then if yes, you go ahead, you use your soldering iron to solder them back again. That one right there, it's loose. I know you can see. So what you do, you come with your soldering iron, you touch again. I can suggest that you use flux, but in this case I had enough flux on the board. I hope you can see. So I was touching that pin with a hot soldering iron to make sure that it's touching the board, it's attached proper.
yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody.
And again, you repeat the same process. You touch each and every pin, just like that one. You can see it's loose. So what you do, you come with your soldering iron and then you solder it back into place. But anyway guys, it's easy. This is very easy. I was also shocked that using a soldering paste works 100%. It's easy, it's reliable, it was nice. I don't regret it at all. Instead of using of driving yourself crazy using a soldering wire, creating bridges, believe me, use a soldering paste. Just apply a small amount all over the pins and then come with your hot soldering iron. Everything is gonna be easy, smooth. You won't have any issues at all.